What's up, beautiful people? Hope you guys have a good fantastic day as per usual. So there's not much to say. Let's start today. We're gonna start it off by getting it braided. Turn around and die. That's like my bangs. Anyhow, I'll see y'all in a sec. Oh, say less. What it do, baby boo? So you know how to get all sexy like that. You already know. I put the cap on, put the little, what's it called? It's like a bonnet, but I put it on because need to make sure the hair stays fresh. So put that thing on, and now we're rocking and socking, ready to steal your bitch. Yeah, buddy. But yeah, today's vibes are, what are we doing today workout wise?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We're supposed to do chest
for sure. And we might do legs too, but I really don't want to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna figure that out. Damn, lighting? What the fuck's going on here? Oh,
especially since we started late. I feel like we should just go hard as fuck on chest.
Yeah. We'll probably need to, I feel like we'll still end up doing 5 days this week.
Yeah.
I mean, that's most weekdays, maybe one day off in a week, but
I probably have to do Monday, Thursday, and then Saturday, so I can't work on Friday, Sunday.
Yeah. So the rest of the day, it's got you. Let's go. Man, some of these people are crazy, man. First off, if you ever come to Texas, y'all, specifically in Houston, but generally speaking in Texas, motherfuckers cannot drive, first off. Secondly, they're gonna drive really, really fast. Well,
I will say, Houston drivers are assholes, but they know how to drive.
Yeah,
Austin drivers are horrible. Austin drivers are super nice, but they don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Dude, like they don't know how to defensively drive or aggressively like get over or anything like that. They just like fucking stop in the middle. It's kind of crazy, but yeah. Anywho, I'll see y'all in a second. Like Dylan just said, we just got a good ass workout. We're almost. Yeah. Oh, brother. But they won't know what you're actually saying. And we got this guy back here. He's always getting it in with that black shirt and them jeans. But anyhow, we're about to get it rolling. See what time it is. It's money time. Tell me why. Tell me why. And I need your opinion on this too, Dylan. Tell me why our lovely friend Michael, I won't give explicit details. Tell me why he took an L with a girl while he's in Seattle, right? Then today, it's Monday, right? It's gym time. Tell me why he's not here.
Well, from his text, he says he gets jet lag. So I feel like that's a plausible excuse. But the pussy thing,
5 years. Just saying. You waited 5 years. Michael, I'm sorry if you've seen this video. I'm not, but it's okay. It's all right. You live and you learn. It's my old man used to say to me. But anyways, we're gonna finish up this workout, progress some eating all that jazz, and get to it. Starting the 75-day challenge, staying like my boy Zach just did. So we're gonna see what my starting weight is right now. 190, 191. That's fine, actually. I'm gonna lose some weight for this guys. Oh, sorry. I'll put this mask.
Let's say that today. Wait, I'm trying to make sure I get the timeline all right in my head. Okay, no, sorry. It's Sunday in the afternoon, late in the afternoon, like at 9. Okay. And so, listen, you can't send me shit like that. It's I saw that face, Gary. That was me. And she's like, yeah, you're right. Honestly, you should just block me. And I was like,
no. Like, it should be, like, you should.
What I was about to say is, we were saying about the people and their pets looking alike. It made me think about how, like, don't you know people get in relationships and they start, okay, I'm gonna blur this part out. Make sure you blur this part out. It's like.
Oh, no, I feel that, dude.
But more so, you know what's even crazier? It's more so her and before. Because she did a weird haircut and his hair is like the same length. And they were like the most disgusting couple I've ever seen in my life. If you're watching this video, I got love for you, but fuck that.
Oh, Jesus. Dude, it's like, it's a lot of it is like some of it's conscious, like you kind of just want to start looking like them for some reason just because like you care about them. But some of it is subconscious, like you start making decisions like kind of like, I don't know, the present just like influences like how you want to look like. So
it's so interesting.
This shit is
what the fudge?
I thought that I was about to
yeah, I thought it was about to be a big old pile of water right there. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you. It's raining like a bitch. Wow, what a great song for the background of this. So I just finished my LTE course. I said LTE. aka license to carry course online.
License to eat out.
I know that's right. I should make that into something. And then yeah, so I signed up for the class and everything too. I'll vlog what I can of that day for y'all, and we'll just go from there. But responsible gun ownership is all we're about, people. Yeah, it's the I mean, there's some bops on there too for sure, but there's this one album. It's the one when they're like, yeah. Y'all know like those, damn, very close. Oh, close. Y'all know like those, that range, the time period of songs. Me and Keith were talking about it before we went to the coffee shop, where it's like songs like this, and then 100 years or whatever else it is, that just hit that spot, like the early 2000s, like mid 2000s rather, like, yeah, nostalgic music of like, what genre would you call this? Take out your trash, bitch. Folky type song, whatever. Anyways, Kansas City Southern, baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, video, etc, etc. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the gun license stuff because I'm trying to have that finished by the end of this week. Here's my boy Keen, of course. Any last words you want to say about today, or encouragement or anything like that?
In terms of encouragement, I would say you gotta do whatever it takes. There are places you want to be at, and there are things you want to do. All I gotta do is just do them.
That's facts, man. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one. Deuces.
Well, I'll be hanging around the arena ground. Bye.